In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Adobe Premiere Pro CC on your Mac. To get started, click on the link just below the like button. That's going to take you across to the Adobe website. And we're going to head over to Creativity and Design and select Premiere Pro. Now, this is going to install the full version of Premiere Pro on your Mac, and it's going to give you access to a free trial for 7 days. Premiere Pro is on a paid subscription, so if you want to continue after the free trial, you are going to have to pay the subscription to get access to the full version of Premiere Pro on your Mac. So if you want to have a look at the features that Adobe Premiere Pro has, you can have a look on this page. It's going to show you all the amazing tools that you can use inside of Premiere Pro to edit your YouTube videos. Once you get to the bottom of the page, you'll see the different plans that you have available to you. Now, there's the Creative Cloud All Apps plan, and this is the best value plan, and it's a plan that we're currently on because we use Adobe Premiere Pro as well as Photoshop Lightroom and Adobe Audition to create all of our YouTube videos and to create the custom thumbnails for our YouTube videos. So that's the best value for money. Then there's the Premiere Pro single app. We just get access to Premiere Pro by itself. And then if you want to head on to a Business Pro license, you can head into the business side. To get access to the free trial, head up to the top left-hand side and click on that blue button that says free trial. Now it's going to show you that Creative Cloud All Apps plan and the Premiere Pro single app plan. So you can see the costs of these plans at the bottom here. There's the cost for the Creative Cloud All Apps, and there's the cost for the single plan. So have a look and see which plan works best for you. And then once you've decided, click on that Start Free Trial. Now you're going to enter your email. This will be the email that you use for your Adobe account. And then make sure you check the right-hand side that you do have the correct plan selected for you. You'll see your 7-day free trial here. So it'll charge you $0 at the start. Mid in step 2, it's going to ask you to enter your payment information so you can get access to the full Premiere Pro program. But you just want to try Premiere Pro out for the 7-day free trial. Make sure you check the date that your 7-day free trial starts so that you know when your free trial ends and when your subscription is going to kick in if you want to continue using Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any questions or queries about installing Adobe Premiere Pro on your Mac, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you're excited to start using Adobe Premiere Pro, make sure you let us know by smashing that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.